I'm going to pull the fire alarm when there's no fire. Ha ha ha. Okay class, today we're going to do reading. It must be a fire drill. Let's line up. Gavin. Here. Tucker. Here. Andrew. Here. Lucy.
Here.
Justin's. Here. Alice. Here. Okay, but the others are in out class. This was a false alarm. You may go back inside. And Lance, report to the principal's office. Lance, you count why I call you here for. Oh, never mind that. Our security cameras caught you pulling the fire alarm. That's it, you're suspended for 5 months. And you and your family will have to pay a $500 fine. You're lucky. If you're older, you can go to jail.
Let's go home right now. You are in so much trouble. Oh my God, Lance, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it, you're grounded until we get the money to pay for the fine. Go to your room right now.
Wah!